Yoga is a powerful tool for increasing flexibility, as it involves a range of stretches and poses that can help to loosen up tight muscles and joints. If you're looking to increase your flexibility, there are a few types of yoga that are particularly well suited to this goal. One of the best types of yoga for flexibility is Hatha yoga. Hatha yoga is a gentle form of yoga that focuses on stretching and breathing exercises. It's a great option for beginners or anyone who wants to focus on improving their flexibility without pushing themselves too hard. Another great option for increasing flexibility is Vinyasa yoga. Vinyasa yoga is a more dynamic form of yoga that involves flowing sequences of movements that can help to improve flexibility and strength. This type of yoga is a great choice if you want to challenge yourself and work up a sweat while also improving your flexibility. Finally, if you're looking for a more meditative practice that can help you to relax and improve your flexibility at the same time, Yin yoga might be the right choice for you. Yin yoga involves holding stretches for longer periods of time, which can help to stretch out tight muscles and increase flexibility. No matter which type of yoga you choose, remember to listen to your body and take things at your own pace. With consistent practice and patience, you'll be amazed at how much your flexibility can improve.